Ready to take full control of your crypto by moving it from Revolut to your own wallet? Let's dive in. First, open your Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. You'll see your current crypto holdings. Select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example, Bitcoin. On the cryptocurrency's details screen, locate and tap on the withdraw or send option. This will initiate the transfer process. Now, you'll need to enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Crucially, you'll also need the recipient wallet address. This is the external wallet you want to send your crypto to. Double check this address carefully. Why euro? It's like a bank account number. And sending to the wrong address means losing your funds permanently. You can copy your external wallet's public address from your chosen wallet application and then paste it directly into the designated field in Revolut. Again, verify every single character. Revolut will show you a summary of your withdrawal, including the amount, the recipient address, and any applicable network fees. Review all the details one last time before proceeding. To finalize the transaction, you'll likely need to confirm your identity, either through biometric authentication like Face ID or your Revolut passcode. This adds an extra layer of security. Once confirmed, your crypto will be sent from Revolut to your external wallet. The transaction time can vary depending on the blockchain network and current network congestion. You can usually track the status of your withdrawal within your Revolut transaction history. Congratulations! You've successfully secured your digital assets outside of Revolut.